Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with another hair tutorial. With this look, I'm going to try and put a little spin on it because I know how much you guys enjoy my Marley hairstyles. So let's get into it. So guys, we're going to start off by parting our hair. We're going to take that part to the back. I already have the sections separated. And we're going to make sure that whenever we part our hair, we do it very close together because we want that braid to be really small. A little tiny cornrow to the back. And of course, I'm using my favorite gel, my EcoStyle Black Castor and Flaxseed. It always helps to sleek those edges down just the way we like them. I'm going to proceed to braid my hair. So guys, I have my spray bottle here with my Tresemme Curl Hydration and my water. I love to use this mixture when my hair feels a bit dry or I'm experiencing an extreme amount of tangling. And here I am braiding. Throughout the video, I may not show each time that I braid my hair, so just, remember that anytime that I do one braid, I'm going to pair another braid with it. So here I am, I'm parting my hair diagonally because I would like my Bantu knots to be in triangles. So you guys will see that I'm pretty much working with angles throughout this whole entire style. Each Bantu knot will be surrounded by cornrows, if that makes any sense. So here we are, we're adding our rubber band. And I did use Eco Styling Gel to sleek that ponytail down. You know how I do. And we're not going to drop the end of that rubber band. We're going to hold it. You see how I'm holding it in my finger because I will slide one end of the Marley hair through that rubber band and pretty much add it to my hair. I felt like this would be a lot easier than wrapping it around. And we're just going to twist that. This was actually my first Bantu knot, but I didn't show you guys how I did the Bantu because I wasn't exactly happy with it. And you guys will see at the end of the video, if it's included, that I actually go back and redo this one. So we're just going to move on to the next part of our style, as you guys will see in a second. So we're on our next set of braids. We're just going to do those at that angle to surround our next Bantu knot. You guys will notice that each Bantu knot will be surrounded by 2 braids. So guys, I went ahead and I completed that second braid, and now we are parting our hair to make that triangle. That will be in the center of our head. We have to make sure that it's perfect because that's where our middle Bantu knot will be. And if that part is perfect, then of course the braids on the side will be perfect and the style will look perfect. So I'll pull that hair back so that I can start those braids on that side. Making sure that those parts are crisp also plays a role in making sure that you're able to part easily. You guys know that I struggle when it comes to parting, but that's something that I learned while doing this style. So I'm braiding now. Be prepared to do a lot of braiding if you're doing this style. It can be quite time consuming, but I feel like the style is quite rewarding. It's really cute. We're now working on our second braid, and I'm going to skip directly to my ponytail, well, the beginning of my Bantu knot. And I skipped here so that I could show you guys what you do with the hair from the cornrows. So of course we're going to wrap that rubber band around, and we're going to grab that Marley hair. I dropped it. We're going to pull that through. Make sure it's even. I'm going to go ahead and twist that hair. You have a clear view of the twist, so hopefully no one has any trouble with twisting.
Do not stand at my grave and weep.
So guys, now that I've completed the twist, it's time to tuck away those two sections from the cornrows. At this point, I was kind of trying to figure out how I wanted to do it. Did I want to intertwine the pieces, or did I want to separate the sections? And I decided to separate them. So here you see me wrapping one side around the base of that twist, just tucking it away so that it's protected. And then you'll see me grab the other section, and I'll wrap that around as well. Once that is done, I will begin my Bantu knot. And guys, you know that you always start loose when doing your Bantu knots because naturally it tightens up as you wrap the hair around. So yeah, I thought this was the cutest Bantu knot out of all three. I knew after doing this one that I would have to do the other over because it was just so cute. Look at it. I was so happy with it. And guys, I was even more happy knowing I only had one more left. So guys, we're going to speed things up just a tad bit. I'm adding my last set of braids. Oh my gosh. After I complete this braid, I will do my next braid. You know how it goes. And guys, surprisingly, these were my best braids. The last set. So yeah, we're doing our last Bantu as well. Just gonna make sure she's real sleek, adding that eco style. So guys, I really don't have to describe this to you because you've seen it. We're making our ponytail using our rubber bands, and we're gonna pull that Marley hair through there again and twist. And guys, after I finish wrapping my hair around the base of the twist, I will do my very last Bantu knot. And here we are starting that out. We're just going to wrap it around. Again, make sure you don't do these too tight. I wasn't too crazy about the shape of it, so I did it over. But none of them look like the middle one. They all look different. And they don't look like the middle one. It's okay. They're not going to be identical, but I did think it was a good idea to pretty much do this one over, since I had not twisted all the way to the end previously. So guys, now that we've completed our cornrows and we've completed our Bantu knots, we can begin sleeking our hair up into a ponytail. You will notice my parts behind my Bantu knots and my cornrows, they're not perfect at all, but we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna add one big braid to that hair there because we have to hide it underneath our Marley hair. So guys, I was thinking I was gonna take the easy way out and I was gonna do a curly style because I did think that it would be really cute considering I had the Bantu knots and the cornrows, but then I decided to turn this into a Marley style because I hadn't given you guys one of those in a while. But you could switch up the hair if that's something that you're interested in. It will still be very cute. So we're doing like we normally do. I'm gonna add a bit of product. Well, I added a bit of product to my Marley hair because it looked a bit frizzy. I added some gel. And right now I'm braiding it. I've already pulled my two pieces out. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my big braid. I find that the big braid is very popular, but a lot of people didn't exactly care for it in my previous style that I did with the Marley hair. But the way I feel, you know, if you can wear a big braid with Kanekalon or Kankalon braiding hair, then what's wrong with a Marley braid? The only difference is the wavy texture, and I honestly prefer texture. So yeah, we went for the large braid with this style, and I'm adding a little gel as I go along. You can add product to your Marley hair. Don't be afraid. So you guys know how the end of Marley hair looks. Yeah, I added a little gel and I rolled it up on a perm rod. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit as I adjust my ponytail. So you guys saw my hair sticking out, that braid that I had. I kind of zoomed in so that I could show you guys that I wrapped that around the base of my ponytail as well. Normally I would try and tuck it into the braid, but this time I kind of switched it up. And I was able to hide it simply by using those two pieces that I left out. And we're going to wrap those around just as we normally do. And complete our style. And we're all done. Isn't it so cute? I was having a time with that ponytail trying to fix it because of the way, I guess from the position that I braided it, it kind of wanted to lean to the side. So I just kept pulling it to the side. I went ahead and added some baby hair and I just pulled the roller off and you see my little curl at the end. Yeah. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. This is my style from the front, from the back, from the side, from the side. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was quick and easy to follow. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you love this style. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.